And so take a little bit of time here. Just but even before you fully settle in, just check in and make sure that you've taken care of anything you need to take care of to be comfortable, at ease, to be able to really relax into this practice. And take a moment here to just check in with your body, with the posture of meditation. And whatever position you're in, whatever posture you're holding, just see if there's anything that you could adjust to feel even 1% more comfortable and at ease. Maybe changing your positioning slightly, the placement of the hands, allowing the shoulders to drop slightly. Good. And so with this practice, there'll be a few different prompts and a few different levels. So I encourage you to follow along as much as you want. If at some point it feels unfamiliar or you want to do your own practice, totally welcome. Whatever you do in your practice is up to you. And so let's begin here with just coming into the present moment. Noticing any sounds that you can hear. I can hear the sound of birds, sound of voices in other rooms, other spaces, and the sound of vehicles. And with each sound that you hear, see if you can bring a sense of affectionate curiosity. And it's just a gentleness and a kindness to the noticing, and allowing of that sound to arise and to pass, to let it wash over you. Just coming back again to the present moment. And bringing a sense of knowing, that clear, bright knowing. And then allowing your attention to move to the body, noticing any sensations that you can feel in the tactile space. Noticing the feeling in your hands. Noticing the feeling of being supported by the chair, cushion, floor. Noticing any other body sensations that are prominent for you right now. And again, seeing if you can bring an affectionate curiosity. Just a gentle, kind knowing. And now see if you can intentionally open up your awareness to include the whole body space. So the awareness might become somewhat diffuse, maybe a little less clear and distinct. But see if it's possible to hold the sensations of the whole body. And within that space, allowing different sensations and feelings to come and go. And perhaps this is more just tuning into the overall texture of that feeling, the felt sense. And so at any time during this practice, you feel like it would be good to come back to something stable and grounding, you're very welcome to return to the body. This whole body awareness or the feeling of being supported. Or if you prefer, you can come back to listening to sounds, tuning into present moment, auditory sensation. Now, what I'd like you to bring to mind is a sense of your own efforts, sense of the strengths that you have, the strengths of your practice. Now, this could be just the fact that you are showing up, the fact that you're here right now. It could be the patience and diligence, all the effort you've put in. Could be all of the kind intentions. And if nothing else, this is simply the fact that you are meditating, you are practicing. Notice how this feels to bring to mind. And see if it's possible to bring a sense of kindness and gentleness. Now, the next prompt is to bring to mind a quality of meditation that you really like, that really resonates with you. And so this could be a meditation technique specifically, could be a quality of mind, equanimity, joy, compassion, mindfulness. And just feel what that is, to bring that to mind, to let it sit, let it resonate. Now, as we continue here, I'd like you to pick up a practice, a meditation technique that you're familiar with and that really resonates with you. See if you can practice it with a sense of fondness, a sense of kindness, the friendliness of returning back to an old friend. So this could be any meditation technique. If you're not sure what to do, perhaps just come back to the simplicity of following the breath, observing the breath and allowing the body to relax, the mind to settle. You'll stay with this for a little while, practicing a technique and feeling a sense of fondness, engaging with that technique with kindness. Good. And when you're ready, just take a couple of minutes here to transition and come back to the body, back to an awareness of the whole body space, the overall texture of feeling. And whatever is there is totally fine. Just bringing and allowing, welcoming awareness. And so now there'll be a few more prompts to explore. And as you engage with these, I invite you to keep an awareness of the body space. Just notice what really resonates for you. Notice if anything causes a shift, leads to a particular state of body, state of mind. And so now I'd like you to briefly bring to mind, what is it that brings you to practice? Why do you meditate? And whatever comes back here is totally fine. What brings you to practice? What is the wholesome desire? What is your deepest aspiration? And if the answers that come back feel superficial, or they feel like they're coming from your head, from higher in the body, see if you can just open to the whole body again and just listen to see if there's a deeper resonance. What do you yearn for? What is your deepest desire? And now bring to mind, or maybe it's more of an allowing or a receiving, the sense of you as a meditator, the sense of you on the path. So this might be noticing how your body feels, how it feels to be you right now. But also there might be an image that arises. There might be something this feels connected with. Maybe you see yourself as someone that's being healed. Maybe you see yourself as someone who is training the mind. Perhaps you are a researcher of consciousness. Perhaps you're a monastic, deeply devoted. Perhaps you practice to be able to be more loving and kind, a beacon of love. And perhaps you're an artist, exploring, creating, combining. Maybe it's a combination of all of these and more. Just notice what comes up. Sense of yourself on the path as a meditator. And the final prompt here, I'd like you to tune in to your deepest values. What is it you most value in meditation, in practice, in life? Is it peacefulness, equanimity, love, connection, tranquility, awareness, freedom from suffering? What do you most deeply value? And just sit with this for a couple more minutes, noticing what resonates, what feels alive. Allowing all of this to settle, to find its place. And as we come to the end of this practice, allowing everything to settle, and just a reminder that whatever has come up for you, this deepest desire, the deepest values, this is a seed that will grow. And this is something you can trust. Something you can trust about this movement that is pulling you forward.